Hi guys, a very good morning everyone. Welcome back to the session. So this session is going to be the numbers lesson 5. So as we have successfully did 4 lessons on numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to be the last part of the numbers. With this we'll wrap up this number series oriented questions. And most importantly, those who have not seen the previous videos of numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, after completing this video, I just want you guys to go for the previous videos and watch it so that you get benefited. So before getting into this numbers lesson 5, let me quickly introduce about myself. My name is Kabilan. I'm a mechanical engineer with 3 years of teaching experience in the field of management exams. I've trained more than 1,500 students to achieve their goals in management entrance exams, and I've also converted various Indian Institute of Management. And most importantly, this is my Unacademy Learning app link profile ID. You can simply type my profile ID Kapil Master so that it will take you to my profile in the Unacademy Learning app. For those who have not installed Unacademy Learning app, you can install it using the Play Store and then try to search for my name so that you'll be getting all my special class videos and live classes I've made exclusively. You can watch it absolutely free there. Okay. And this is my personalized Telegram channel where you can reach out to me for all your doubts, queries and clarifications. And I'll also be sharing my lively updates about the classes here. Okay. So don't forget to join us in my social media platforms, that is in our YouTube channel and in our Telegram channel. And talking about the subscription, Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use my discount code so that you get a 10% off. So that for 1 year it's going to be 15,750 and for 2 years it is 18,900. After using my discount, after getting the 10% off, this is going to be your tariff for that, right? So we have this beautiful weekly scholarship test that's happening every week, and today it is happening right now at 12 p.m. So it is already a matter of in 10 minutes it's going to happen. So kindly you can register now for free quickly just by using my unlock code KAPI10. Just give it a try, guys. Definitely it's going to be super fast and fun. Literally excite you in all the ways throughout your test duration, and most importantly can able to identify and improve your weak areas through the detailed solutions that we provide. And undoubtedly the India's largest scholarship test for CAT exam happening every week. Okay, so today it is happening. So probably on the next week, that is 28th of March, same time at 12 p.m, you'll be getting the next scholarship test. So if not, you can able to attend today. Definitely you can attend the next week, that is on 28th of March, right? And talking about the iconic batch, Unacademy provides the iconic batch for CAT 2021, where you will be getting all the benefits of Plus subscription. Along with that, you'll be given a personal mentor who will be guiding you throughout your process and the progress of preparation, and proper test analysis and reports will be made for your progress. And also we will be concentrating on other management entrance test preparations as well. Okay. So that is not only for CAT exams, but also for MAT, ZAT, SNAP, TISNET, TISMAT, GRE, GMAT, and various other top level school management exams. Okay. And most importantly, the personal mentor will be a graduate from any of the top B schools. So there is no doubt about the proper guidance that he would provide for you, right? Most beautiful option called Ask a Doubt in Unacademy Learning app, where you can see here, if you have any sort of doubts in any particular question, you can take a photograph of it, drop it down to the specific question, and don't forget to mention under which topic it falls. For example, if you have doubts in vowelability, let's say if you have doubts in spotting the error, Just simply take a picture of it. Don't forget to mention it falls under the verbal ability topic, right? After doing so, sit tight, you will receive the solution very soon in your chat, right? And here we have the students from Unacademy who aced CAT 2020 with flying colors. And if you aspire to be one for the next year for CAT 2021, you can enroll in our batches, which are kickstarting on 20th of March. That's going to be the Legend Batch 2.0 for CAT 2021. 22nd of March, it is the Starters Batch 2.0 for CAT 2021. And 24th of March, it's going to be the Absolute Weekday Morning Batch for CAT 2021. Okay, so these are the batches which are kickstarting. And make sure, if you're really flexible in any of the given batches here, to enroll it. Why? Because this is a serious thing happening. The real thing, the price hike is happening soon, right? So don't get delayed. Why? Because you'll be benefited if you try to go for a subscription, both for Plus and Iconic, whatever it suits for you, right? So if you really want for Plus or Iconic, go for it, because you'll be made to pay the before tariff, and maybe in a couple of days we can most probably expect the price hike happening, where you'll be made to pay the after tariff details for both the Plus and Iconic passes. Okay, so yes guys, with this short intro, let me quickly jump into the questions part for today's session. That is for the numbers lesson 5. Right, so this is my first question. That is, the product of two numbers is 9,375, and the quotient, when the larger one is divided by smaller, is 15. Right? You need to find the sum of the numbers. Okay, so let me do what? Let me take two numbers. Let me take A, which is greater than B. Right? So here A and B are the two numbers. And if I try to take the product of A into B, that gives me the value 9,375. Right? And so the question, right? The question, when the larger one is divided by the smaller, right? What exactly they say? That is, when A is divided by B, the question what you get here is 15. Right? And so you need to find what is the sum of the two numbers. Come on guys, let's try to do this. These are the two things given for you. So can I say A is equal to 15B? Can I say A is equal to 15B? And if I substitute it here, so that I'll be getting 15B into B will give me B square is equal to 9,375. And B square will ultimately give me 9,375 by 15. That's going to be 625. It's exactly to 625. And if I take the square root of 625, this gives me 25. That's it. So the value of B, which I got it to be 25, and A will be ultimately 15 into 25, which is nothing but 375, value of A. And they're asking you to find the sum of two numbers, A plus B. Sum of two numbers is 375 plus 25. We'll be getting the option to be. The answer, it is option D. 400 is the sum of the numbers. If the product of two numbers is 9,375, and the question, when you try to divide the larger one by the smaller one, going to be 50, right? Very simple question, nothing to complicate here. Yeah, we'll quickly jump into the next question, guys. Second question, come on. Just try to do this, the second question for you. This question, in a two-digit number, the digit in the units place is more than twice the digit in tens place by 1. Okay. If the digits in units place and the tens place are interchanged, difference between the newly formed number and the original number is less than the original number by 1. Fine. So you need to find what exactly is the original number. Okay. So guys, what we can do exactly? You have a two-digit number. Can I take that two-digit number to be 10x plus y, where x is the digit in tens place and y is the digit in units place, right? So let's say this is my two-digit number, the original number, right? Now what happens? The digit in the units place is more than twice the digit in tens place by 1. So they say what actually here? That is the digit in units place, it is y. This is more than twice the digit in tens place by 1 means it's going to be y is equal to 2x plus 1. That's what they say, right? That is more than twice the digit in tens place is 2x, by 1 means it's going to be plus 1, right? That's it. So if the digits in units place and tens place are interchanged. So first, what I do here exactly, if I try to interchange the units place and tens place, the difference between the newly formed number. So if I try to interchange, no, I'll be getting, after interchanging, I'll be getting 10y plus x. So this newly formed number and the original number, right, is less than the original number by 11, right? So if that is the case, so what I do here simply, if I try to substitute y is equal to 2x plus 1 here in the original number, if I try to substitute y is equal to 2x plus 1, then this becomes 10x plus 2x plus 1, right? So this is what it becomes. And if I try to, interchange the digits, so what it is exactly, after interchanging, I'll be getting 10y plus x. That is the difference between the newly formed number and the original number, right? The newly formed number and the original number is actually less than the original number by 11, which means the original number is 10x plus y minus 1. That's what it means, right? So if at all, if I try to substitute the value of y is equal to 2x plus 1. What I'll be getting here exactly? Be 10 into 2x plus 1 plus x minus 10x plus 2x plus 1 equal to 10x plus 2x plus 1 minus 1. So if that is the case, now try to find this now. What you will be getting? You'll be getting 20 plus, that is 20x plus 10 plus x minus 10x minus 2. Yeah, 10x plus 2x, it's going to be 12x, right? It's going to be minus 12x minus 1. And if I bring this, which is equal to 10x plus 2x. 10x plus 2x is ultimately 12x. Right. So fine. So what you'll be getting here? 20x plus 10x. 20x plus x. It's going to be 20. If you go, this will be 9x. So 9x minus 9 is equal to plus 1 minus 1 goes out. It's going to be 12x. So from this, the value of x is going to be 3. The digit cannot be negative, so if you get minus 3 also, it should be plus 3, right? So if you try to find the original number, you got the value of x is equal to 3, so y is equal to 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So the exact original number is 37. So the answer for this question is option C. 37 is the original number, right? Based on the given conditions, if you try to solve this, you'll be get the answer to be option C, 37. Okay. Next question. Three numbers are in the ratio 4:5:6, and their average is 25. You need to find the largest number. What is the largest number? So you have the respective three numbers. Let it be 4x, 5x, and 6x. And they've given you the average here. Their average, that is 4x plus 5x plus 6x by 3 is equal to 25. Will be getting, so 25 into 3 is 75. So can I say it's going to be 15x is equal to 75, such that the value of x is equal to 5. So if x is 5, then ultimately the larger number will be 6 into 5. It's going to be 30. That's it. Very simple question. The answer for this one is option A. 30 is actually the largest number out of the three, right? Next question. So in a 2-digit number, if it is known that its unit digit exceeds its 10th digit by 2, okay. So again, let me take the 2-digit number to be 10x plus y. I know the fact that its units digit, that is y, it exceeds 10th digit by 2 means y is equal to x plus 2, right? And that the product of the given number and the sum of its digits is equal to 14. So which means the product of the given number, that is 10x plus y, into the product of the given number and the sum of its digits, x plus y, this is equal to 144. Okay, here you find what is the number. So what you can do exactly, in place of y you can substitute x. So it will be 10x plus x plus 2 into x plus 2, going to be equal to 144. So we'll be getting 11x plus 2 into 2x plus 2, which is 144. And if you try to multiply inside, we'll be getting 22x square plus 22x plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 144. And if you try to divide this by 2, gives you 11x square plus this, you get 26. 26 means 13x plus 2 is equal to 72, right? And so what are you getting? What do you get exactly here? So 11x square plus 13x minus 70 is equal to 0. So if you try to multiply, you need to get minus 70, and if you try to add, you need to get plus 13. So first, let me write this 11 as 1 into 11. I'll try to do this with cross method, try to find get the factors out of it, the quadratic equation, right, quadratic roots. So let me write it as 11 into 1, and 70, can I say it is 15 into, not 15 exactly, (14 into 5) gives you 70, but you will not be getting it. So if you go for 35 into 2, 35 into 2, 35 into 2 is 70, and if you do cross method, this gives you 35 and this gives you 22, right? So if you try to subtract it, right, if you try to subtract it, you'll be getting 13 exactly. So if that is the case, then I can say that I need to get plus 13. So which means this has to be plus 13, this has to be minus 22. So the exact roots are x plus 35 by 2, sorry, x plus 35 by 11 . So it's going to be So it's going to be 11x plus 35 into 11x minus 22. So if you try to do so, this will get a negative value. So this gives me x is equal to 22 by 11, that is nothing but 2. So I got the value of x is equal to 2. So if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 4. Then the number, it's going to be 24. That's it. that is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. So the original 2-digit number, if you try to substitute here, you will be getting 24. So the answer for this question is undoubtedly option B. 24 is the number. When you try to get the product of the number and the sum of its digit, it is 144, and the unit digit, it exceeds the tens digit by 2. That's it. Right? See, this is one way of doing it, but I can smartly, without even doing all these solutions, I can simply arrive at, just by going with the options, I can able to figure out what exactly is here. The very first statement, it says that the unit digit, it exceeds tens digit by 2, means unit digit is greater than the tens digit by 2. So if that is the case, if you go for the first option 1 and 2, the unit digit is 2, the tens digit is 1. Here the unit digit, it exceeds the tens digit by 1, so it gets ruled out. Like in the same way, if you go for option C, the unit digit exceeds the tens digit by 3, so it gets ruled out. And here the unit digit exceeds the tens digit by 4, gets ruled out. But only in option B, the unit digit exceeds tens digit by 2. So straight in the first statement alone, you can arrive at the exact option for the given question. That's it. Okay. So next question, guys. Come on. So 3 times the first of 3 consecutive odd integers. So let me take the 3 consecutive odd integers. So first of all, listen very carefully. If a number wants to be odd, only if, let's say, if you try to add 2 odd numbers, right? If you try to add 2 odd numbers, you will be getting again not odd, it's going to be even. That is, if you try to add 2 odd numbers, you'll be getting an even number. Like in the same way, if you try to add 2 even numbers, even plus even will again give you even. But if you want again an odd number, you need to multiply odd plus even such that you get a odd again. Fine. So what you need to do exactly here, that really matters. Let's say if my first number is odd number is 1. With that, I need to add 2 such that I'll be getting 3. I'll be getting a odd here. In this odd, I need to again go for the even numbers. So make sure for the odd number which you are getting, you need to add it with the even number such that you get the odds again. So if you want a 3 consecutive odd integers, right? Fine. So let me take x to be my first odd integer. The second odd integer will be what? X plus 2. The third odd integer, it's going to be x plus 4. So this 3 are my 3 consecutive integers, odd integers. And they say here 3 times the first, right? 3 times the first of 3 consecutive integers, odd integers, that is 3x. 3 times the first of 3, that is x. So that will multiply 3 times. So 3x is equal to 3 more than twice the third. So twice the third means it's twice of x plus 4 plus 3. That's it. So if you try to tackle this, you'll be getting 3x is equal to 2x plus 8 plus 3 plus 3. So x is equal to 11. You got the value of x is equal to 11. They are asking you to find the third integer. Third integer is nothing but x plus 4. So it's going to be 11 plus 4. The value of x plus 4, it's going to be, so the third integer here, it is option D, 15. That's it. Right? Fine, so is that clear, guys? Let's go for the next question. Come on. That is, you have 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 5. 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 5 is equal to ax square plus kx plus n. Here you need to find what is the value of a minus n plus k. Right. First, let me try to solve this. What you'll be getting here. Multiply this inside the bracket. 6x square minus 15x plus 4x minus 10 is equal to ax square plus kx plus n. And it's going to be 6x square minus 11x minus 10 is equal to ax square plus kx plus 10. So from this, can I say the value of by equating it, the value of a is equal to 6, the value of k is equal to minus 11, and the value of n is equal to minus 10. Right? They're asking you what is the value of a minus n plus k. So it is 6 minus n means minus into minus, it becomes 10 plus 10 minus 11. So if you try to do this, the value will be exactly option. That is, you'll be getting the value of a minus n plus k to be 5. That's it. Very simple, right? Next question, guys. The denominator of a fraction is 3 more than the numerator. If the numerator as well as the denominator is increased by 4, the fraction becomes 4 by 5. Fine, so if I take the fraction, that is the denominator of a fraction is 3 more than the numerator, right? So if that is the case, let me take the numerator to be x, then my denominator will be x plus 3, right? If the numerator as well as the denominator is increased by 4, so it's going to be x plus 3 by x plus 7. This will give me the fraction 4 by 5. Now try to cross multiplicate, you will be getting exactly 5x plus 15 is equal to 4x plus 28, such that x is equal to 13. You need to find the original fraction here. Right. So it's going to be 13 by 16. So if I take x by x plus 3, and if both the numerator and denominator is increased by 4, I'll be getting x plus 4 by x plus 7. It's going to give me 4 by 5. So I'm getting 5x plus 20 is equal to 4x plus 28. Such that the value of x is equal to 8, right? So if you do that, then the numerator and the denominator will be 8 by 11. So the answer is option P. 8 by 11 is actually the right option, right? The next question. The difference between two numbers is 1365. When larger number is divided by the smaller one, the quotient is 6 and the remainder is 15. The smaller number is what? So let me take the two numbers, the difference between two numbers. Let me take A minus B is equal to 1365. When larger number is divided by the smaller one, right? That is A by B. The equation is 6 and the remainder is 15, right? So it's going to be 6B plus 15. That's what you'll be getting here, right? Because B is the divisor. So the divisor with the quotient, with that you need to add the remainder, right? You need to find the smaller number. So can I say from this A is equal to 1365 plus B? And if I simply substitute here, 1365 plus B is equal to 6B square plus 15B. So from this, can I say 6B square plus 14B minus 1365 is equal to 0? Or in the other way, can we say, if I take the numbers to be x and 1365 plus x, these are the two numbers if I take, and if the larger number is divided by the smaller one, then it's going to be, the larger number here is 1365 plus x is equal to the smaller one, that is actually the divisor with the quotient, right? So 6 times of x plus 15. So this will give me the value of x to be exactly 270. So the answer for this question, the smaller number is 270 and the larger number it is, if you try to add 270 with this, that is 1365 plus 270, it's going to be 1635. That's it. And so that's it, guys. We have come to the conclusion for today's session, and hopefully the numbers gets done. With this, we'll try to do a lot more